Alright guys, so today what we're working with is, it's kind of a technical video. We're gonna actually be diving into the transmission once again. Basically what happened is, with the check engine light came on, we know we have a knock sensor issue with Big D, but we looked at the code and it's a I can't remember the code. Basically what it is a solenoid in the transmission. We're gonna crack in there and we're gonna replace it. Let's get into it. I think the pan bolt's a 15, I believe. Yeah, 17. Gross. This is not my favorite part of this. Once it's open, it's cool, but that was gross. Transmission fluid is basically detergent, but still, it's not, doesn't feel good on the hands, you know? It's the 16, 13 millimeter bolts, which is annoying, but. All right, so we've got the pan off. Now we're gonna be unhooking the pulse width modulator solenoid. That's the Tcc Pwm Solenoid. That's what the error code says it's coming from. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unhook that, and then we're gonna take it to a transparts place, and then we're gonna pick up a new one. But I think while I'm under here, I think we're just gonna replace all the solenoids. I don't think they're very expensive, so that's the main reason why I would do that. If they were expensive, I probably wouldn't, because I'm cheap and I'm broke. So this is the filter, and we're gonna be taking that out first. Oh, gross. That was disgusting. This is the Tcc Pwm Solenoid. This is the 2 to 3, or I'm sorry, this is the 3 to 2. There's a clip in here. I would advise having a pick. Me personally, I only have a screwdriver today, so just a tiny screwdriver should work. But we're gonna unhook it. Come on, there we go. We're gonna twist it. Hey, unhook it. Oh, gross. I didn't know that there was gonna be more. Other one. This is everything that we're replacing. So Tcc Pwm solenoid. Then we're gonna go 1 to 2, 2 to 3. And then 3 to 2 for the downshifting. We just got back from Transparts warehouse. This is the old stuff, and now we've got the new stuff. We're gonna plug it in, put some fluid in it, see what happens. First one's gonna be our PWM solenoid. Clicker on it, just like that. We're gonna take this little clip. There we go. Bonk. All right, y'all, we're gonna go for a drive. We're gonna sit and let the pump work a little bit and kind of move everything through. Let's do it. So we're getting some pretty clean shifts. right, so we have clearly some issues, but none of them are the solenoid issue. So there we go. We got it. We got it done. We got it fixed. I hope you guys liked the video, and yeah, like and subscribe if you want to. But AFG, we'll see you next time.